25490, traffic 4 out, runway 19, line up and wait.
19, line up and wait, 25490.
November 975 Mike Tango, watch tower, runway 19, clear to land, traffic departure.
19, clear to land, 975 Mike Tango.
Blue Street 5129, right turn, Foxtrot, right turn, Juliet, ground 17, great day.
Right turn, Foxtrot, right turn, Juliet, over Blue Street 55, show time 2 points, 5,000. Blue Street 5490, did we hit the aircraft next door?
Blue Street 5490, say that last part again?
We think we might have picked up the 175 airport short 19.
Ground turn right, heading 250, maintain 3000.
Alright, we're coming around, heading 250 up to 3000, return 4371.
Blue Street 5490, just if you can, just exit the runway 19 at Sierra behind the Delta.
Exit 19 at Sierra behind the Delta, Blue Street 5490.
So Blue Street 5490, you think you hit the Embraer or the Airbus?
It might have been the Embraer. We just heard a loud, like a boom, right as we took, like a thunk before we took the runway at 5490.
Delta 1391, were you affected by the CRJ?
Negative. But there is, we can see a piece of a winglet on the ground behind the right wing of the Embraer.
Roger that. And Brickyard 45, so I was going to verify, it appears that he hit your winglet. Roger that.
And Tower Delta 1391, just a heads up, we are ready when able.
Delta 1391, roger that. Just stand by. Delta 1391, just be advised, we're going to start the departure for a while, find out where the flight is located. So take a small delay.
Delta 1391.
Tower Blue Street 5490, I can see the piece of fog that's directly behind the 175 at the north end of the home bay for 19.
Blue Street 5490, roger that. I believe they want to get out the airport management to get out there and inspect and check.
So the reason I'm not getting on the other side there is because the RJ and the Embraer seem to have maybe clipped wings over there, and there's a winglet in the block, so we're stopping traffic over there. I'll bring you over there when I can. They're going to bring ops over there. Are you able runway 15 by any chance? Because I don't want to hold you up if you're able to depart up 15.
We'll run the numbers and I'll let you know and understand everything that's happening ahead of us. Thank you, Southwest 2925.
Figure out 45, 23, right. Hold the position, manager, stand by.